Hello, I'm Karen Tait, editor of French Property News magazine. I'm here today at our French property exhibition talking to Tom Easdown of French Plans. So, Tom, you deal with planning, you're an architect, so it's all that side, renovation projects and so on. What sort of things have people been asking you about today?
And we get the classics of the people's dreams to renovate. That French renovation dream is still
Yeah.
pretty much alive and kicking. I think people are slightly more aware of the pitfalls, the things they need to be aware of before embarking on these big projects, because they are
Yeah.
significant projects. There's been lots of folks who have been got their ideas from perhaps YouTube, or they're watching the TV pro
Yeah.
shows, which have come to the exhibition to actually find out whether
If it's
what they
viable.
see is reality, or whether there's background work to do.
Because the properties are out there, but can they do the work?
Exactly,
Which is where you
exactly.
come in.
So it's a lot of, and we're advising people on how to approach renovation projects, new build projects from when they first start to look at properties and find those properties.
Uh-huh.
Balancing that with the dreams they have, whether those things are feasible,
Mhm.
so that you don't end up in a situation where you have a lot of house, not a lot of budget, and so balancing that to make sure they can realise those
So you're
aspirations.
you're an architect and planning expert. You know all
Yeah.
about the planning system in France, but you're advising them on the sort of spectrum of renovation things they need to consider before they buy, and then what to do after they've bought.
Yeah, so it's a looking at the building as a whole, so not just from a planning side of things or a planning point of view, which is important.
Yeah.
Making sure what you want to do to a building can be done in planning terms is crucial. You don't want to be left with a building
Yeah.
which is never going to be extendable or convertible. But also, balancing their aspirations with perhaps the budget they've got, the eventual value, how difficult it might be to adapt a building
Uh-huh.
in a certain place, whether there's any stipulations on style and aesthetics they need to apply, depending on where they are in France, because France is incredibly varied. It's a great
Yeah. Of
country
course.
for that. But those things have to be taken into consideration. It's not just as easy as landing somewhere, finding a house, and going, right, this is the one to renovate.
So a lot to cover, but if you had one sort of top tip to give people, what would it be?
I would say take your time. I think try and find out as much information about a property as possible before committing, before signing that compromis devant. As soon as you sign that compromis, there is the tender cooling off period, but you are in a process and on a route to
So after those
purchase.
10 days, you're legally
Yeah.
obliged to buy.
And so
So
collating all the information is key, and just understanding that there isn't necessarily all those folks from a professional side on your side of that purchase process. There aren't necessarily the conveyancing solicitors or surveyors automatically kind of there to
the
draw
process
on.
is very different
Yeah, it's
in the UK.
it's
and
much
France.
more independent. You're as a buyer, it's your
So get as
responsibility
much
to do that.
research as possible and as early on as possible.
Absolutely, and we advise for the spectrum of property and of purchase and property renovation, from can I install a Velux, all the way up to can I renovate my chateau and turn it into a wedding venue, and all those things have different, all equally valid,
Yeah.
but just have a different way of approaching.
Okay. So how has the exhibition been for you today? You've looked busy when we've been past.
Yeah, we have been busy today. It's been great. Lots of people with lots of interesting stories and interesting ideas about what they're going to do, and it's always nice to come to the show and actually speak to people face to face. We do a lot of YouTube stuff, but just to come and find out where the questions are and what people's they're also the regions of France which people are looking into, because that changes. And so speaking to folks, it's a great way of networking too. And so
It's been a good day.
it has been a great day. Yeah,
That's great. Thanks, Tom.
thanks.